Hello and welcome to Miles Commercial down at 339 Morehouse Avenue. Just arrived on the dealership is this 2019 Toyota Hilux Pre-Runner, two-wheel drive, 2.8 litre turbo diesel auto. This vehicle's been fitted with alloy wheels, canopy, tow bar, great looking ute. If this is something that you could be interested in, give me a call today on 021 22 00 287. Just have a wee look in there for you. This vehicle's in relatively good condition for being on the second-hand market and being a commercial vehicle. Come down and view today. We'll see you soon. Woohoo! Look at that.